Hey everyone, it's your girl Rose, the MLO Study Queen, breaking down mortgage news in plain English so you can study smarter and close faster. Today, we're talking about a huge change that could reshape how thousands of Americans qualify for a home loan. Fannie Mae just announced they're removing the minimum 620 credit score requirement for most conventional loans under the Desktop Underwriter system. Let's break down what this really means and what you should watch out for if you're planning to buy a home or work in the mortgage industry. So here's what happened. Before, Fannie Mae required borrowers to have at least a 620 credit score for most conventional loans. But starting November 16, 2025, that minimum credit score rule will be gone. Instead, Fannie Mae's automated system, called Desktop Underwriter, or DU, will now look at a borrower's overall financial picture. That includes your payment history, income, debt levels, savings, and general credit behavior. Basically, it's moving from a number-based model to a risk-based model. And that's a big deal, because not everyone's credit story can be told by one number. Now, before we get too excited, this doesn't mean anyone with a 500 score can automatically qualify. Lenders still have to pull credit, and borrowers still need a history of responsible payments, even if it's through alternative credit data like rent or utilities. But what this does mean is more flexibility for responsible borrowers who've been shut out by traditional scoring. For example, if someone had a medical collection that dropped their score, but everything else looks solid, they now stand a better chance. This move also reflects a broader trend Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are trying to close the homeownership gap by making the system more fair and data-driven. If you're a mortgage professional or a real estate agent watching this, here's your takeaway. Now is the time to re-engage those clients who were declined due to a low score. Keep your pipeline list ready for Q4 2025 when this rule officially takes effect. Study how D reads non-traditional credit and stay up to date with Fannie Mae's selling guide updates. Because the pros who understand this change early are going to help a lot of people and probably close more loans in the process. So, to wrap it up, Fannie Mae's new update is a game changer, especially for first-time buyers and families who thought they'd never qualify. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to MLO Study Queen, and turn on your notifications for more 60-second and long-form mortgage breakdowns. I'll keep you updated on every change that affects your business and your buyers, because when you understand the rules, you win the game. See you in the next video.